some sweets for them, you know. Roasting this chicken.
Yeah, good night.
To be yeah, so happy. नाम क्या है? छोटू? छोटू? See cucumber. Cucumber. So, hello guys. Especially namaste and once again welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog is going to be on, you know, night camp. We three brothers are going for night camp, and obviously I'm not going to miss the chance, you know. So I'm going to make a vlog, and we also packed all our stuffs, you know, blanket, utensils, and before the vlog, you know, let's shout out to my new subscriber from Shillong, Meghalaya. Thank you for, you know, showing your support to me, and to also other new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and without any delay, let's go for the, you know, journey. So guys, we forgot to bring rice, so that's a problem. Now we have to go up again and we have to buy rice.
Hello guys. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Hope you are doing good.
Thank God. Guys, we are back, but you know, the other bhaiya, he forgot his hat and spectacle in the shop, you know, so he went again. Now we will wait for him, and we will continue our journey to the Gairekhet. Now we have to go, bro. Now let's go to the Gairekhet. And also thank you very much, Nikhil Bhaiya, for, you know, borrowing us your tent, you know. It was a great help, so thank you very much. So guys, we are about to reach, and before that, you know, we are going to stop at a house where we are going to fill up our, you know, water container of 5 kg. So guys, the thing is ki I came here recently, and that time also, you know, we fill up our bottles, water bottle from that house, and that time there were kids, you know, 4-5 kids who were very excited to see us, you know. So that's why I brought some sweets for them, you know. I'll give them, and actually they also subscribed my channel, you know. So let's go. This is called Karela, you know, Tutsu Karela. बहुत धूप तेज है. नमस्कार दादी जी. अरे नमस्कार अंकल. ये मिठाई लेके आए थे बच्चे के लिए. है अंदर है, बुलाओ. now we are about to reach, and I felt so happy, you know, while distributing sweets. And yeah, वो जो घर था, हाँ, वो घर के मेंबर सभी को हम शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं कि so we are about to reach, guys, and it's just down there, you know, and some boys, some kids are playing football. स्टंट करके दिखाए, कौन सा वाला स्टंट चाहिए तुमको? कोई सा भी। नाम? लकी, हमारे सब्सक्राइबर, वन ऑफ माय सब्सक्राइबर। और हमारा वीडियो रोज देखते हो तुम?
हाँ,
सारी वीडियो अच्छा लगता है। और कुछ कमियाँ वीडियो में?
नहीं,
इंग्लिश ज़्यादा बोलते हैं।
हाँ, इंग्लिश
हमको हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा ही आता है, तो हम ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, लेकिन हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हिंदी बोलें, ठीक है? और मिठाई कैसा था? अरे नहीं खाया मिठाई?
नहीं खा ली।
बच्चे इधर आ, भैया के पास देखो। नाम? और ये किसने दिया? ये बूट किसने दिया?
ये पापा लाए।
अरे अच्छा लगता है फुटबॉल खेलना, बहुत अच्छा लगता है फुटबॉल। और सबसे ज़्यादा कौन पसंद है फुटबॉलर? रोनाल्डो। तुमसे? और तुम भी आना चाहते हो? अरे ये भी आना चाहते हैं, जल्दी। और तुम्हारा नाम? आदित्य। हमको स्टंट दिखाने को किसने बोला था? अच्छा, ये कुल्लू के नाम है, ठीक है? देखो कुल्लू। So guys, we reached, you know, so भाई लोग कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे टेंट लगा लेंगे, तो देखेंगे टेंट लगा के। So guys, we will start our, you know, night camp here. अब चाय बनाएंगे और देखिए सूरज भी डूब गया। ये रात के अभी 6 बज गए, शाम के 6 बज गए हैं और ये देखिए मौसम। चल गए ये। अब चाय रेडी हो गया। बस अब चाय पियेंगे भाई।
जो दिखा दो।
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा। So right now there is rice in this cooker and we are still roasting this chicken, and this is the roasted chicken. आप टेस्ट करने जा रहे हैं भाई? देख लेते हैं, टेस्ट कर लेते हैं कि कैसा बना है। And it's around right now, it's like 7:30 or 8:40, 7:40, and we are about to finish making dinner, and after this we are going to have dinner.
No, first we are going to see the pig.
And guys, as you can see, we are also using dry cow dung. This is cow dung. Yeah, biogas, biofuel. So guys, it's around 11 p.m. and now we are having our dinner. The credit goes to our Dheeraj Bhaiya for making such delicious chicken. Bhaiya was saying that there were some insects inside the tent, so they are killing the insects. Now we are inside the tent and about to sleep now.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, good night.
Good night. And see you tomorrow early in the morning. Guys, we just wake up right now and it's 5:30. They both are outside making tea, and I'll also go now and have some tea, and I'll show you the morning sunrise. So let's go. Oh, yeah. Early in the morning tea. Oh. So guys,
Hello guys, good morning.
how was the night?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, we slept well. Now it's almost
5:30.
5:30. Yeah. Now the sun is about to rise. The view is very good. We are preparing tea now.
See your tent.
So guys, we
It was
finished,
very big,
you know,
okay. It was
making
like
tea. Let's serve.
5 or 6 people can. Yeah.
So guys, cheers, morning tea. So guys, this is the morning view after the night camp. As you can see, we can also hear, you know, we can also see birds. Ambo. So guys, we are on the way, you know, to fill up the container, water container. सिंग बहुत अच्छा है इसका. सिंग बहुत अच्छा है.
अच्छा है
हम्म,
ले जाओ इसको
हमको तो पसंद आया. So guys, on the way, you know, we saw this ox. अरे भैया, अरे भैया इधर आ जाओ, रास्ते को रोक के रखो है तुम. We are still waiting guys. अरे भैया, कालू भैया इधर आ जा. इधर को आ, ये ले कालू भैया इधर. हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया, इधर आओ आओ आओ. Full water. It's very hot outside, you know, very. So guys, I'll stop my vlogging here because I think it's going to be lengthy one. And so, if you like my video, like, share, comment, and in the end, subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. And you know, keep watching.
होइन भनिदिनु पर्यो नि अनि बिर्सिन्छ घरि
And keep watching my videos, you know, I'll upload more videos of interesting things. So guys, we are going back now. Bye bye, Gairekhet.